So division, as we know, is the inverse of multiplication. So the total, the size, and the groups work similarly, but backwards. So say we had a problem like 24 divided by 8. In this case, 24 now becomes the total. And we could think of 8 either way, the size or the groups. Let's call it the size. So this means I have 24 things, and I want all my groups to have 8. Each group has 8 in it. How many groups can I make? So if I have 24 and I make groups size 8, that would leave me with 3 groups, each group having 8. This would be like if 24 people walked into the room. The first 8 sat at the first table, the second 8 sat at the second table, the third 8 sat at the third table. I would need 3 tables for all of those people. Similarly, I could think of it the other way. Say I had 24 as my total, and I want to make 6 groups. That would mean that each group would have a size of 4. So that's like 24 people are walking in the room. The first person sits at the first table, the second person sits at the second table, and I keep going until all 6 tables are filled, or all 6 tables have 1, and then I start over. I would have 4 people by the end in each group. How does that work if we are looking at fractions? So say I have 2 as my total, and I want to divide that by 1/3. So that is the size of my group. Each group is going to be sized 1/3. So let's draw this out. I have 2 total, and I want the size of each group to be 1/3. So I'm going to break these up into thirds. My marker is dying. Okay, so each of these is now sized 1/3. And we can see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6